Hi, this is Ben, and this is the LFORBB or LaForbe Direct Dryer Heating Element Replacement Kit. This kit comes with the heating element as well as all of the other common components. You can see the plastic here has snapped. Here are the two units side by side. To double check, I always use my meter here to check the continuity, and as expected, there is no continuity. The new unit does have continuity as expected, so we're good to go. So I've taken the thermostat off the old heating element and it will fit here onto the new one. There's a hole that the tab fits into here to hold it in place. Then the tab here pushes down on to the heating element's far tab, as just like I'm doing here. The heating element then slides up underneath like this and it's fixed into place with two screws. And next I connect the wires back to the thermostat as they were before. Take a picture if you need to remember what position they are in. There's just 3 wires in total. Before I put everything back together, I like to plug it in and test it out just to make sure the heating element is working. So I just pick any setting quickly, turn on the dryer, and it's pretty obvious to see when it's working. The heating element will glow, and you can also feel the heat coming off of it. Once I'm sure it's working, it's obviously working here, I can unplug the dryer and put the back panel on again with the screws and reattach the dryer vent hose.
Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.